Right. Today I'm going to review for YouTube request Grange Hill for ZX Spectrum. Now this is a game made by Binary Design Limited based on BBC television series, which is known on Children's BBC. So basically we are presented with a few digitised pictures of some of the cast as we start the game. So let's start the game. So we're presented with this screen. Press fire to start. You can't fault Grange, says Hollow. You shouldn't have had it on in class. You know he is right, because this is the second time you have had your Walkman confiscated. And what time did your mom say then? This time she'll kill you. You turn on your heel. Where are you going? Asked Hollow. Back to school to get my Walkman back. What? But the school's locked. I'm going to break in, you say, and I want to be there to see it. Says Hollow, follow him. Now, as you can see, you can walk about. You've got this little sub menu here. So we walk on. There's a street near the farm box. Oh, I've just fell over a paving stone. Okay. So that was a bit weird. So basically, I've just been called, obviously, and I've got to start again. Okay, let's start again on Grange Hill. We've already read that already. So, use. As you can see, I can climb up this ladder right here. Oh, so we go across. We can pick up the torch right here. So we keep going. I wouldn't recommend I fall down there, so we'll go back. Above the telephone box. Oops. Oh, and now I'm dead. So we'll try this again. So basically, I think I'm gonna get the phone box. So we get our digitized pictures yet again. So I think I'm gonna basically wait for the game to start. I gotta basically go up the phone box. Climb up the phone box. Jump across. Jump across. Pick up the torch. Jump back across. Jump back across. Oh, you fuck. Oh, you fuck. Alright then. So basically, here we go again. Defeat. Let's try again, shall we? Enough to drive you mad. Right. Let's try this once more. Right. Whee! Oh, just been savaged by a dog. Anyway, that's Grange Hill for the Spectrum. There's a quick look at Grange Hill for the Spectrum for the request review. Gonna give what score so far of Grange Hill a 8 out of 10. Good boy.